A really cool and eye-catching way to increase engagement with your music on Spotify. Spotify Canvas lets artists add clips that play along with their songs on Spotify. In this video, I'll show you how to add this super cool feature to your tracks too. So Spotify Canvas allows you to add short looping videos to each of your tracks on Spotify. And it's a great way to keep your listeners engaged. Spotify reckon that tracks that have canvases are listened to longer, shared up to 145% more often, and added to playlists 20% more often. What's more, as long as you have a Spotify for Artists account, you can add these to your songs for free. There are quite a few guidelines and rules to follow. You'll need to use specific file types, your video has to be a specific length, and it has to be a specific aspect ratio, and you'll need to ensure it adheres to Spotify's content guidelines too. DistroKid, the online distributors who have kindly sponsored this video, have a feature that not only automates all of that stuff for you, but also provides royalty-free footage for you to use at no extra charge. Now, you do need to have a DistroKid membership to use this feature. If you aren't already on board with DistroKid and want to give it a whirl, get involved via my unique discount link and you can get up and running for under $20 a year. You'll find that link down in the description below this video, and with it you'll also find out all of the benefits that come with a DistroKid membership, including unlimited uploads, promotional tools, and loads more. Alrighty then, starting off in your DistroKid homepage, click the menu here, and in the drop-down, click on the Enhance Your Music section, and then on Spotify Canvas Generator. In the next page, you'll be prompted to either enter your own search term, or you can select from the suggestions underneath. I'm going to use the word city as a search term. The Canvas Generator brings in results from one of my favourite places on the internet to get royalty-free footage, pexels.com. You can filter the results by orientation on the right here. I've selected vertical as that's the orientation that Spotify Canvas videos use. Scrolling through the results, I can audition clips by hovering my mouse pointer over them. I quite like this one, it goes with the theme of the track I want to apply it to. Clicking on it allows me to crop the video and edit its duration if needed. It's the perfect size now, and I'll be able to include all of it in my Spotify Canvas. If I selected a horizontal video, I'd have to crop most of it out to have it fit in the rectangle format needed. Alright, now I'm happy, I'll click Next and have DistroKid process the video, and once it's done, I can download the video file. Next, I need to jump over to my Spotify for Artists dashboard. If I click on Music here, I can then select from all of the tracks I currently have available to stream on Spotify. If I click on this track, there is a button on the next page marked Add Canvas. Because I created my Spotify Canvas video file using DistroKid, I don't need to worry about the content and file guidelines on the right here, as the Canvas Generator has done all of that work for me. I can just find the file in my Downloads folder and then drag and drop it in. Once uploaded, you get a live demo of how the canvas will look in action, and you can even toggle this button to see how it will look on different screen sizes. Clicking Next will take you to this screen where you'll need to agree to Spotify's terms before continuing. Once that's done, your canvas will be uploaded and will be viewable to all within about an hour. And here's the Spotify canvas for my track in action on Spotify. Let me know your thoughts on DistroKid's Spotify Canvas Generator and whether you plan to use it on your tracks down in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give that like button a good hard slap on your way past. I really appreciate it. And for the full rundown on how to release your music online in 2025, watch this video next.